Want to learn how to get a business analyst job? What a business analyst job description is in the first place, business analyst salary, business analyst interview questions, how to put together a business analyst resume, and overall how to become a business analyst. So what is a business analyst? In today's roleplay showdown, we have a follow-up meeting between a business analyst and the stakeholder, where the stakeholder shows up with a surprise guest, the data expert, after the stakeholder and business analyst had agreed already that the business analyst would reach out to the data expert directly and alone.
Oh my
Watch
God.
how a top business analyst overcomes objections from two different parties and crushes all obstacles on the way to a successful design and implementation.
Good morning, everyone. I was expecting to meet with you alone, Stephen. Is there a reason why your data expert is here?
Good morning, Sandra. I decided to bring my data expert Gerald to ensure that we have all the necessary information to address my concerns.
Hello, Sandra. I apologize for the surprise, but Stephen wanted me to provide additional insights regarding the requirements.
I appreciate your expertise, Gerald. However, it's important for me to understand why this decision was made without prior discussion. Could you please shed some light on the reasoning behind this change?
Well, Sandra, I believe it's important for Gerald to be involved from the start. He can provide valuable insights into the technical aspects and feasibility of the requirements we discussed earlier.
I understand your perspective, Stephen. However, it's crucial for effective communication that we follow the agreed-upon process. By involving Gerald at this stage, we risk losing focus and may not be able to address your concerns adequately. Let's proceed by discussing the requirements we previously agreed upon.
Actually, Sandra, I believe it would be beneficial for me to provide some input now. I've reviewed the requirements and I have concerns about the technical feasibility of requirement number 2, the multi-language interface.
I appreciate your input, Gerald. Could you please elaborate on your concerns so that we can address them together?
The implementation of a multi-language interface could significantly increase the complexity of the system. We would need to consider language translations, different character encodings, and potential performance implications. It might be a better idea to prioritize other features instead.
See, Sandra? I told you it wouldn't work. Let's focus on more important aspects of the system.
Hey, so one more quick tip for you. If you're thinking, hey, I have a great career too where I can share all these insights on the internet, how do I do that? I have a couple great links for you in the description below. One is Make Money Matt, who teaches how to monetize your skills and abilities online better than almost anybody I've found. And the second one is Teachable, a platform where you can create your very own online courses. Check the links out in the description below.
I understand the concerns, but catering to our global customers is crucial for our success. Gerald, I believe we can find a compromise. Let's explore potential solutions, such as leveraging translation services or partnering with language experts to streamline the process. We can conduct a feasibility study to assess the impact on performance and resources. This way, we can ensure we meet the needs of our global customer base without compromising the overall system functionality.
That sounds reasonable. Let's move on to the other requirements then.
Certainly, Stephen. Let's discuss requirement number 1, the ability to process refunds within 24 hours. Are there any concerns or objections you'd like to raise?
Actually, yes. I've been talking to some of our customer service representatives and they believe it would be too challenging to process refunds within such a short time frame. They're worried about potential errors and delays.
I appreciate the input from your team, Stephen. It's important to consider their perspective. To address their concerns, we can implement robust validation processes and provide training sessions to ensure the accuracy and efficiency of refund processing. By involving the customer service representatives early in the design phase, we can mitigate potential issues and provide them with the necessary tools to handle refunds within the designated timeframe.
Sandra, I also have some concerns about the technical implications of this requirement. It might put additional strain on the system, leading to potential performance issues.
I didn't want all these videos scattered all around to get away from you, so I decided to create a checklist of 10 essential skills any aspiring business analyst needs to know, and I decided to provide it to you for free. So check the description below on 10 essential skills any aspiring business analyst needs to know. Click that link in the description below and grab your free digital download. Enjoy.
Thank you for raising that concern, Gerald. We can work closely with the development team to optimize the refund processing functionality and conduct load testing to ensure the system can handle the anticipated workload. With proper planning and resource allocation, we can address both the technical and operational challenges, ensuring timely refunds without compromising system performance.
All right, Sandra. I can see that you're willing to address our concerns and find viable solutions. But I want to see tangible results and a solid plan moving forward.
I completely understand your desire for tangible results, Stephen. Rest assured I will provide you with a detailed project plan outlining the steps we'll take to implement these requirements successfully. This plan will include milestones, resource allocation, and a risk management strategy to ensure we stay on track and deliver the desired outcomes.
I appreciate your commitment, Sandra. It's clear that you've considered both the operational and technical aspects of these requirements. I'm more confident now that we can overcome the challenges.
Thank you, Gerald. Collaboration and open communication are essential in finding the best solutions. Moving forward, I will maintain regular communication with you and your team, involving them as necessary to address any technical concerns and ensure smooth implementation.
All right, Sandra. I'm willing to trust your expertise. Please provide the project plan as soon as possible and let's keep the lines of communication open throughout the process.
Absolutely, Stephen. I will provide input to our project manager to prepare the project plan promptly and share it with you and your team. Together, we'll work towards achieving our goals and delivering a system that meets your requirements and expectations.
So if you've stuck with me this far through the video, I hope you're getting some great value and want to be notified every time I drop the next piece of training in this series. Go ahead and subscribe to How to Be a Business Analyst below and click that bell button for all notifications. Once you've done that, drop me a comment in the comments below letting me know that you subscribed, and I'll go ahead and try to answer all of those comments personally. So what have we learned in this subsequent interaction, this follow-up, where the business analyst was surprised by the stakeholder's decision to bring the data expert in without prior discussion? The BA maintained professionalism, focused on addressing all the concerns raised from both parties, and through effective communication and negotiation skills, the BA was able to win over both the stakeholder and the data expert by considering their input and by finding compromises with them. This business analyst emphasized the importance of following the agreed-upon process while still being open to collaboration and exploring additional feasible solutions. Ultimately, this BA's commitment to addressing concerns, providing detailed plans, and maintaining open communication helped build trust and confidence in the project from both the stakeholder and the data expert. Let's tune in next time to see who else might surprise this business analyst and how Sandra's able to tackle those additional challenges and objections going forward. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you're enjoying this series. We'll see you next time.